we're not gonna be doing that because, well, not today. But I can implement this laser in multiplayer. Oh my god, a multiplayer laser. Well,
Come
okay.
on. Because we can put the traps in that. All right. I think I'm recording. So this is a new vlog. We're doing something different. I've been doing more community outreach. There's a developer that I was trying to help. Really, I was garbage with something, and I just came to the dude's Discord, and then found a lot of other people asking for help. So Crimson Leaf had this thing where he wanted to do, which was related to a laser pointer that is created in that he had a thing for Unity. So this whole point of how do I create this laser sight happened in he wants to do this basically in Godot. And so what's funny about this is that so talking to him, I got this idea of like, hey, could I maybe make lasers and do some like laser stuff? So I made this laser hub here in Blender. The materials already have changed in Godot, unfortunately. That's just the nature of beasts. I mean, you can always change them back. Not a big deal. But now it's about setting up potentially these lasers. That's the game plan, at least.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Enabled. Collide with bodies is true. So can you just move it a little bit down? So, okay, so the way you use this collider is to check for, well, the way you use the Raycast actually is that you check for the function called is colliding. And then if it is colliding, then you get the collider, and that's about that. Okay, so this gives us the collider, I guess. So it's probably going to give us the node, the first object. So it says object here, but I'm guessing that means the first node that the ray intersects.
So let me put this straight. Are we actually trying? We are creating a beam. Then, when it detects that area, we're trying to get it where it's just going to cut off the beam, right?
So yes, but that requires programming. So yeah, based on this information. So you see, if you get the collider, you can calculate the distance between the object that you collided with and the start of the beam, and then you can create the laser beam of an appropriate size and code. Make sense?
It does, because that sounds like the Unity tutorial. That solves it then. I was trying to get an L. So I was trying to get the L.
Well, I mean, yeah, but I want to see it growing and then stopping. So that's kind of the idea.
Okay, all right.
Anyway, why is this so much fun? At first I was like, oh man, I don't want to do a laser, but now it's actually really fun.
Yeah, you get it, right? I was thinking this giving fun. All right, okay. Is it disappear? Oh, we don't see it. We don't. No.
So where is that? Where is that?
The camera?
Camera, yeah. Camera? What is the name of the camera?
It's a camera. The name of the camera is camera.
Okay. Well, so the first thing we do with the camera is.
Yeah, zoom it. There you go. Maybe. Oh, we have to move it out. Oh, there, it's in range. It's in range.
Okay, I'm just gonna move it out of range.
You know what? You have to move it. You have to move the black box even a little bit more. Oh no! Yeah, is that farther enough out?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Something is really wrong with this level.
Okay.
Yeah, so there is an easy fix for that, and well, the easy fix.
Like an if then?
Fix is yes, outside of this if. So outside of this if, we're just going to make the distance. Okay, let me just delete this stuff. So we will just move this into its own function. Function
recalculate beam. It needs the height, I think. No, it needs the distance. And yeah, everything else it already has. So recalculate beam distance. Okay, fine. But here, if it goes into an else, then I will just recalculate beam at 150 distance. Original distance minus distance. Okay, yeah. So that should fix it.
All right. Okay. Let's see. Was it only like what 3 hours of her life? It was like 2 hours, right? 2 hours of her life.
I'm
Awesome.
happy. I'm happy. I guess I've learned something today.
And the other thing too is we can replace the other laser beam too. So instead of that crazy faking, but the damage. Okay, Alex. Next question: can you make the damage emitter? And are you shaking your head? No. You're shaking your head. No.
I don't need the damage emitter. I can just calculate the damage here. So yeah,
We've made a better laser.
yeah, I guess we did.
Oh my god, we've made like a real laser now.
Yeah. So.
Oh, that's so
magical
cool.
functions.
Okay.
So, if body dot so what is the name? Hittable how are we doing this in body? Yeah, but we will need a character actually. So if hittable in body and body, I guess, not equals null, but this is never null, so I don't actually need to check it. But there is something else. Okay. If body dot hittable equals true, because I'm using this as a bool, then body dot decrease health or whatever we're doing, and that's about that, I guess. So yeah, actually, I keep it at 1 to be a slow and painful death.
Killing kids legally through video games. That's the motto here.
Oh, I mean,
killing our students.
if students play those games like Grand Theft Auto anyways. So.
Oh, I know. I mean, not all our students. Come on.
And I mean,
kids don't even know what GTA is.
Vice City used to be what almost E for everyone, and now it's matured because of the hot coffee.
I feel Vice City is E for everyone because the graphics are so terrible today. You can't even tell what's going on.
Yeah. So that's basically how I do it.
Okay. All right.
So actually, I'm gonna